You're going to love this new feature. It's called document management. If you're curious what document management is, you can now store and share documents directly through the CRM while keeping those documents linked directly to each contact for easy reference. If you're curious why this matters and how it helps, this is going to help you access and manage all of your linked files in one spot with sections for internal, sent, and received documents. You'll easily be able to send documents to contacts using the client portal. You'll also be able to utilize enhanced search functions to quickly find documents by the file name. To use this feature, you want to make sure that you are under your contacts, and you are going to go ahead and select a contact. And now, the same way that you will look on that far right side of your contacts details, you're going to see activity, tasks, notes, appointments, and now you're going to see documents. Go ahead and simply add a document by hitting the plus add button and add your document. Now it's going to be easy to collaborate with clients. You're going to be able to effortlessly search and locate those documents. I hope you enjoy this new feature. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and ask support for some help.